A story about glaucoma. 2 weeks ago, Mrs. Ann brought her elderly mother to the clinic to see a black African ophthalmologist, Dr. James. With visible concern, Mrs. Ann explained, "Doctor, my mother is 70 years old. She raised us alone after our father died when we were still very young. Over the years, we have noticed that she is gradually losing her sight, and now she is almost blind." She further explained that 5 years ago, her mother completely lost vision in the right eye. At that time, the family did not fully understand what was happening. Unfortunately, while the right eye became totally blind, the left eye started losing vision slowly, and this loss had progressively worsened over the years. Dr. James listened carefully. He then asked several important questions about her mother's health, family history, medications, and vision problems. After this, he conducted a thorough eye examination. At the end of the examination, Dr. James made a diagnosis. He gently explained to Mrs. Ann and her mother that the condition was called bilateral primary open-angle glaucoma. He further clarified, "The right eye is now absolute, meaning it is completely blind due to long-standing glaucoma. The left eye has advanced glaucoma, meaning severe damage has already occurred. But some vision may still be preserved with treatment." Shocked and worried, Mrs. Ann and her mother asked almost immediately, "Doctor, what is glaucoma?" Dr. James calmly explained in simple terms. Glaucoma is an eye disease that slowly damages the optic nerve. The optic nerve is like a cable that carries visual information from the eye to the brain. To make it easier to understand, he gave an analogy. Think of the optic nerve like the electrical cable that connects a car's headlight to the engine's lighting control module. If that cable is damaged, the headlight will not work properly, even if the bulb itself is fine. In the same way, when the optic nerve is damaged in humans, vision is gradually lost. Dr. James explained that inside the eye, there is a clear fluid called aqueous humor. This fluid is constantly produced and must drain out properly to maintain normal eye pressure. If the fluid does not drain well, it builds up inside the eye. This causes increased pressure within the eye. Over time, this pressure slowly damages the optic nerve. Once the optic nerve is damaged, the vision loss is permanent. If glaucoma is not discovered and treated early, it can eventually lead to total blindness. Dr. James explained that glaucoma can affect people of any age, but it is more common from the age of 40 years and above, seen in both males and females. Glaucoma is particularly dangerous because, it often has no symptoms in the early stages. Vision loss happens silently and slowly. Most people do not feel pain or notice a problem early on. This is why glaucoma is often called the silent thief of sight. Dr. James emphasized that symptoms usually appear only after damage has already begun. These may include seeing halos or rainbow colors around lights, blurred vision, eye pain, headaches, redness of the eye, other non-specific eye discomforts. He explained that vision loss usually starts from the sides, known as peripheral vision. As the disease worsens, side vision reduces. Vision becomes like looking through a tunnel. Eventually, central vision is lost, leading to blindness. At the early stage of side vision loss, a person may walk past familiar people without seeing them, fail to notice someone waving or greeting, miss objects that are not directly in front of them. This happens because those people or objects fall outside the remaining central vision. Dr. James stressed again, once vision is lost from glaucoma, it cannot be restored, but early treatment can stop or slow further damage. Mrs. Ann then asked, "Doctor, is there anything that increases the chances of getting glaucoma?" Dr. James replied yes, and listed the common risk factors: age 40 years and above, family history of glaucoma, diabetes mellitus, high blood pressure, long-term use of certain eye drops or systemic medications, sleep disorders such as obstructive sleep apnea, obesity, other medical or eye conditions not mentioned. He emphasized that anyone with a family member who has glaucoma should visit a qualified eye care specialist for screening. Dr. James advised that all individuals aged 40 years and above should go for regular glaucoma screening. People with risk factors should be monitored and followed up regularly. Early detection is key. Dr. James ended on a hopeful note. When glaucoma is diagnosed early, it can be controlled. Treatment options include eye drops, laser treatment, surgery. If treatment is started early and the disease is well controlled, many people can maintain useful vision throughout their lifetime and avoid blindness. Anyone who needs help is advised to visit a hospital or eye clinic near them to see a qualified eye care specialist for glaucoma screening and possible treatment. For more information, inquiries, questions, or counseling, contact DDJ Medicals and Healthcare Services. WhatsApp +2 349 08055 680 631.